So let's now practice finding horizontal asymptotes. So for this function, remember we want to look at the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator for horizontal asymptotes. So you don't even have to worry about factoring for these. I mean, you can if you want to, but I would only factor if you're going to have to find everything else. And here we don't need to. So my degree in the top is 2, and my degree in the bottom is 2. So we have the same degree, which means that we're going to take our ratio of the coefficients. So our horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals, and then we're going to take the number from the top and divide it by the number in the bottom. So we're going to get 4 over 2. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 2. So type in my equation, hit submit. There we go. Nice and simple. Now this one is factored for us, and I'm glad it pulled one of these for me to do with you. So here we have a factored equation, and sometimes this is a little hard to figure out what the coefficients are and what the degrees are. So first, that's a 3 times 3x minus 1. Okay, so we have, let's go ahead and label the degree of the top. So power in the top and power in the bottom. Right, so when it's factored, you're really just counting the x's. So in the numerator, I have 1 and 2. So my degree in the numerator is 2. And then my degree in the denominator, I also have 1 and 2 x's. So my degree there is going to be 2. So again, we have matching degrees. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals the ratio of the coefficients. Now this one is a little trickier to figure out. So because it's factored, if I look in the top, if I multiply the numbers in front of the x's, I get a 5, but there's also a 2 out here. So this is 2 times 5 in the top. And I don't think I've used purple yet. And in the bottom, I'm going to have 3 times 3. Because if I were to multiply everything back together, eventually I would multiply those numbers together. So I'm going to get 10 over 9. So my asymptote here is y equals 10 divided by 9. It's a little bit more complicated factored out like that just because you